Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we take a closer look at products to help you make the best decisions. Today we're diving into the Armor All AA07V2 0901 Cordless Car Vacuum, a handheld mini vacuum cleaner designed for cleaning both your car and home. Whether you're tackling pet hair, crumbs, or dirt, this vacuum promises to make the task more manageable with its cordless design and powerful performance. The Armor All AA07V2 comes with a 7.4 volts motor that delivers 5.5 kPa suction power, making it a capable tool for cleaning dry messes. This vacuum promises to lift dirt from your car's interior or tight spaces in your home, offering 20 inches of water lift, which is impressive for a device of its size. What stands out most is its cordless operation, allowing you to move freely without worrying about tangled cords. It's compact and lightweight, ideal for maneuvering between seats or other tight spots without straining your wrist. Another key feature is the reusable cartridge filter, which helps trap dust particles and protects the motor, ensuring the vacuum maintains its performance over time. No need for disposable filters, which is a plus for both the environment and your wallet. To recharge the vacuum, you can use the included USB cable, making it easy to power up whether you're at home or on the go. The USB charging is a convenient option, especially for those who spend a lot of time in their car and need a quick recharge between uses. Included in the package are 6 useful accessories: a storage bag, cartridge filter, pre-filter, crevice tool, retractable dust brush, and USB cable. These tools are designed to enhance the vacuum's versatility, whether you're cleaning upholstery, car seats, or hard-to-reach areas. The crevice tool in particular is great for those tight spots between seats, while the retractable dust brush helps with surfaces like dashboards and upholstery. When it comes to real-world use, the vacuum does a solid job of cleaning up dry messes, such as crumbs and dust. It's perfect for quick cleanups, especially if you have kids or pets that tend to leave a trail behind. The crevice tool is particularly handy for cleaning between seat cushions, and the retractable dust brush comes in clutch for quick dusting. On the downside, the 7.4 volts motor, while efficient, might struggle with heavier messes like wet spills or large debris. It's not a heavy-duty vacuum by any means, so don't expect it to handle large-scale cleaning tasks. For users concerned about pet hair, the AA07V2 handles it fairly well, but if you have pets that shed a lot, you might find yourself needing to empty the dustbin more often. The suction power is strong enough to grab smaller pet hairs, but it's not as effective on larger clumps of hair or in deep carpet fibers. The vacuum's compact design means it's easy to store, but it also means it can only tackle smaller cleaning jobs at once. If you're cleaning a large area or multiple vehicles, you may need to recharge midway. One of the strengths of this vacuum is its portability. It's light and easy to carry, making it perfect for a quick cleanup on the go. The USB charging feature is a nice touch for those who spend time traveling or who want the convenience of charging from any device that supports USB. However, if you're hoping for longer runtimes, the AA07V2 might leave you a bit disappointed. The smaller battery size limits its runtime, especially on higher suction settings. In terms of build quality, the vacuum feels solid for its size, with sturdy plastics and a clean design. It doesn't feel flimsy, and the accessories fit together well without any issues. Maintenance is straightforward with the reusable filter, although it's important to regularly clean the filter to keep the vacuum performing at its best. Long hair can get tangled in the brush roll, but it's fairly easy to remove and clean. The dust bin is small, so you'll need to empty it frequently, especially during larger cleanups. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the Armor All AA07V2 is a solid option for those who need a portable vacuum for small jobs, especially in cars or tight spaces. It's not a replacement for a full-size vacuum, but it offers good value for quick, convenient cleaning. It competes well with other compact handheld vacuums in the market, like the Black & Decker Dustbuster or the Dyson V7 Trigger, though those may offer slightly more suction power or longer runtimes. If you're looking for something lightweight, affordable, and easy to use for small tasks, this could be a good fit. However, if you need something with more power or runtime for larger areas, you might want to look elsewhere. When compared to other mini vacuums in its category, the AA07V2 offers solid suction power for its size. Its USB charging option is a nice touch that many competitors don't offer, and the inclusion of multiple accessories gives it an edge in versatility. On the downside, its compact size means it isn't built for heavy-duty tasks. If you're after a cordless option that can handle deep cleans or larger messes, you may want to consider a model with a higher voltage motor or larger dust capacity. In terms of maintenance, the Armor All AA07V2 is easy to care for. The filter is reusable, which is cost-effective in the long run. The dust bin is easy to empty though, as mentioned. It's small, so you'll need to empty it frequently if you're cleaning large areas. The battery life could be better, but for short cleaning sessions, it should suffice. There's nothing particularly groundbreaking about the design, but it's functional and well-suited for the vacuum's intended use. For those who might require customer support, Armor All is generally known for being responsive and helpful, though I haven't had any direct interaction with their service team for this particular model. However, their reputation for after-sales support remains positive, so if any issues arise, you can expect prompt assistance. When it comes down to it, the Armor All AA07V2 Cordless Car Vacuum is a good option for quick, everyday messes in your car or home. It won't replace your full-sized vacuum, but will excel in situations where portability and ease of use are key. It's not the most powerful, but it does a great job in its niche. If you're looking for something compact, affordable, and effective for small cleaning tasks, this could be the right choice. Just keep in mind that it's not a heavy-duty cleaner, so don't expect it to handle large messes or deep carpet cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Armor All AA07V2, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions about the vacuum. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, happy cleaning, and see you in the next review from Reviews Inside TV.